brother. Get out of here.
Okay, I just.
Here.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Derek Scott Pearson, and nobody is welcome at my house.
Okay.
You can put on a protection. There are people trying to kill me.
Yeah.
Last time I was taken by the police, they tried to kill me. You are not welcome here. Please leave.
Okay, that's fine.
Please leave and please protect me.
Hey,
okay? They're trying to kill me.
Derek, is your caregiver here?
Yeah, that sounds good. Is that a gun? Got a gun. Charles 640, he has a gun. Starts using his gun.
Put the gun down! Back off. Back off.
Derek, we'd like to come to a peaceful resolution. We need you coming out of your house with no weapons in your hands. Your brother and sister care about you. They're worried about your well-being and they don't want you to get hurt.
I hit the school. Just ran back inside after seeing the rook. Shooting at the rook. He's out. Shots fired. Yeah. He's out. Shots fired. Yeah. Good shot. You got get this deal. We're good. Handcuff him? We're good. All right. With you. Come on. Come behind you, come behind you, come behind you. Like that. There we go. We're going on the other side.